What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Groove Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2024 Lexus NX 350 F Sport handling. This vehicle is powered by a 2.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So yeah, pretty nice interior in this NX 350 F Sport. I really like the steering wheel. You have a digital gauge cluster and a head-up display, and you have the pretty standard Toyota and Lexus screen. You have heated seats in this vehicle. Put the vehicle in reverse. You have a backup camera. F Sport badge on the, or F Sport logo on the headrest, which looks good. Really nice, sporty, bucket seat design. It's two-tone red and black, looks pretty cool. Standard Lexus key fob. I like this interior trim. You also have a sunroof, which is cool. Let's see, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And drive mode selectors right here. You have Sport S Plus, which is pretty cool because it's a F Sport handling model. It'll give you the Sport S Plus. Not all the F Sports are going to have that. So let's walk around this car and we'll go for a drive. F Sport badge right there, which is cool. You also have the NX floor mats. You also have electronic door handles, it looks like. Black mirror caps, F Sport badge on the fender, black wheels. Black spindle grille. Looks really good, actually. Here are the rear seats. It's a nice looking little SUV. It also has all-wheel drive. And I like how the Lexus logo is spelled out, and I like the light bar that goes across the rear of the vehicle. You have a pretty decently sized trunk. You also have a cargo cover, it looks like. Looks like it has hidden exhaust tips. I haven't driven an NX 350 in a while, so let's see what it's like. I think I have a video on a 22 model or something on the channel. Yeah, overall this is a nice interior. The seats are just really cool. That's the coolest part about this whole interior. So acceleration is actually quite good. For an NX, that's pretty good. I mean, gives you the power that you would need. Pretty good low-end torque. Transmission is decently responsive. It's faster than I thought it would be. Oh, I forgot to mention, you have a wireless charging tray over there, which is what my phone's on right now, but I don't think it's actually charging. You might have to adjust it around a little bit. There you go. Now it's charging, which is cool. Yeah, man, these seats are just like great. Really good lateral support, really good thigh support too. Like they do a great job of giving your whole body support. Like I'm really impressed with these seats. Like I feel, you know, held in place well. My thighs, despite having long legs, it gives me like, you know, they have the proper support in the middle of my thigh to make the ride feel comfortable for me. And it feels like high quality leather. Testing out the handling a little bit there. Nice. Yeah, this is enjoyable to drive. This is really nice, actually. This car feels quite balanced. That's pretty impressive. I really like this NX 350F sport handling. But anyways, that concludes today's video on this 2024 Lexus NX 350F sport handling. Thanks as always for watching another video of Groove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for a wide variety of pre-owned Lexus F Sport models.